Major progress is unfolding at Spotify Camp Nou, and today's update may be one of the most important in recent weeks. From new compression ring sections and facade supports to rapid advances across the diamond structures, key areas of the project are moving forward simultaneously. Several long-awaited developments are finally becoming visible, while new construction milestones are beginning to take shape across the stadium. So, let's take a closer look at everything that has changed and see how this remarkable stadium project continues to transform day by day. One of the most significant developments can be seen above Gol Sur, where the compression ring continues its steady expansion. Since the previous update, new radial beams and support columns have been installed, extending the structure further around the stadium. Several prefabricated components remain staged nearby, ready for installation in the coming days. While much of the heavy structural work has already been completed, the remaining sections will play a crucial role in closing the ring and preparing it for the future roof system. After weeks of limited visible activity, major progress is now being made on the facade support system. The first brackets designed to hold the exterior slats have begun appearing beneath the main structural beams, marking the start of an important new construction phase. Construction activity continues inside the mobility cores, although changes remain limited from the exterior. Interior sandwich panels are already in place, while external cladding and lower concrete panels are still awaiting installation. Preparation, finishing, and surface treatments remain the primary focus in these areas. Once these tasks are completed, the mobility cores are expected to undergo a much more visible transformation. The stadium's distinctive diamond structures continue to evolve at an impressive pace. Interior walls have advanced considerably, with several sections already reaching roof level while others move closer to completion. Activity remains high throughout these areas as crews focus on structural finishing, safety systems, and preparation for future phases. The pace of progress highlights the project's gradual shift from primary structural work toward architectural development. Significant progress is now visible in several corner sections of the stadium, where large areas have recently been concreted. Structural flooring and support zones continue to expand, while only a limited number of vertical elements still require completion. These developments indicate that many of the major structural stages in these sections are approaching completion, allowing construction teams to shift their focus toward finishing and installation work. Another diamond structure is progressing rapidly, with reinforcement steel now covering much of its surface. The amount of visible preparation suggests that this section is moving closer to its next major milestone. With crews continuing final reinforcement and preparation work, concrete operations could begin in the near future. This would mark another significant step forward in the stadium's ongoing development. One of the most exciting developments can be seen along the facade, where LED lighting fixtures have now been installed on several upper slat sections. These systems will eventually illuminate the stadium's exterior and play a major role in its visual identity. As more lighting elements are installed, supporters are beginning to get their first glimpse of how the finished stadium could appear during major events and evening matches. Progress is also being made inside the stadium, where additional escalators continue arriving on site. New units have been delivered to multiple sections, joining several others that arrived in recent weeks. Their arrival highlights the steady advancement of the stadium's internal circulation systems, which will be essential for handling large crowds efficiently once the venue is fully operational. Attention now shifts to Gol Norte, where facade installation has accelerated considerably. Multiple slats have already been installed, and only a limited number of gaps remain visible across several sections. The transformation is becoming increasingly noticeable, offering one of the clearest indications of how the completed exterior facade will eventually look. Steady progress is also visible throughout the tribune section. Sandwich panel installation continues. Facade supports are advancing, and construction materials remain organized for future installation phases. With each passing week, this area appears increasingly refined as structural works gradually give way to architectural finishing and detailed construction tasks. Beyond the main structure, crews continue working on wall treatments, protective coatings, and architectural finishing elements. These tasks are helping shape the stadium's final appearance while protecting key structural components. Although less visible than major structural operations, this phase is an important part of transforming the construction site into a finished world-class venue. That brings us to the end of today's Camp Nou construction update. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and join us for the next update. In our next video, we'll take you behind the scenes to explore areas and details that are often missed during regular updates, so make sure to stay with us. Until then, take care, and we'll see you in the next one.